Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through a demo of StageFlow, a lead management web application that I built using Google Sheets and AppScript. This app is an extension of my previous project I worked on, titled CRUD App with Authentication, and I've made several enhancements to streamline the lead management process. You can find the link to that project in the description below. Now, taking a look at the app, we can see it presents a list of leads, each with key details such as the name, stage, who it's assigned to, contact information, customer type, lead source, creation date, closing date, and any notes related to the lead. At the top, there's a visual representation of the lead progression stages, which are color-coded and represented by arrow-shaped buttons. These stages track the flow of a lead from lead to contacted, pitched, sent demo, negotiating, and eventually to closed won or closed lost. What's great about these buttons is that they also function as filters. For instance, if you click on closed won, the app will filter and display only those leads that have been successfully converted into customers. One of the key features of StageFlow is the ability to modify a lead stage right from within the table. You just click on the current stage, and it allows you to update it easily using in-cell editing. This makes it super convenient to keep everything up to date without needing to go through multiple steps. You simply click, update, and save, and the change is instantly reflected in the table. Another great feature of the app is its built-in edit history logging. This means every change made to a lead is tracked. For example, if I were to change a lead stage from lead to contacted, the app would log the details of who made the change, what field was changed, and when it happened. This is all presented in a timeline view, giving you a clear history of any updates made to a lead, which is incredibly helpful for tracking changes over time. Before I move on, let me ask you to support this channel by subscribing to it if you haven't already. StageFlow also supports 3 types of users: owner, admin, and standard user. Right now, I'm logged in as the owner, which gives me full access to all the features of the app. Depending on your role, your access may vary, which helps in controlling what different users can do. Let me give you a quick demo. I'll start by creating a new lead. I'll enter some basic details like naming the lead XYZ, assigning it to Flory G, selecting Cafe as the customer type, and adding some notes. After hitting save, the new lead gets added to the table, and we can view the details by clicking on the view icon. Now I'll go ahead and change this lead stage from lead to contacted. I'll just click on the stage, select contacted, and hit save. The stage is now updated, and when I check the edit history, I can see that the change has been logged, showing that the stage was updated by the super admin on today's date. I'll now close this lead by updating its stage to closed won, selecting a closing date, and adding some final notes. After saving, we can go back to the edit history and see that all these changes have been logged. What's great about this logging feature is that it records every field change. So if you update multiple fields at once, all those edits will appear in the timeline. This gives you a full audit trail for every action taken on a lead. If I want to delete a lead, that's as simple as clicking the delete icon. And as I mentioned earlier, these arrow-shaped buttons up top allow you to quickly filter leads by stage, making it easy to get an overview of your pipeline at a glance. I'm really fond of this visual flow because it not only looks good but also makes the app intuitive to use. The design of these buttons was inspired by Streak CRM, a CRM tool that I'll link in the description below for anyone who's interested. Now, if you want to set this app up for yourself, it's pretty straightforward. First, make a copy of the Google Sheet linked below.